Children's services is a difficult but extremely rewarding job, and when you think of social work, quite often you think of children's social work, but there's so many different career paths with a degree in social work, and Bowys is able to provide a lot of those career pathways as well. So there's not just children's social work in terms of child protection that you usually think about. It's the children with disabilities, it's the youth justice, it's the adult mental health services. There's the court team. You know, we have other agencies outside of that as well, but I think there's more than enough opportunities and career paths within Bowys as well, so I definitely recommend it. I love working with young people and families. Truthfully, I never thought this was going to be the career path I was going to go down. I did my first degree in psychology and I thought I'd end up working in a hospital. I started work for the Youth Justice Service and I fell in love with it. I love the unpredictability of working with young people and families, and I love that that moment when you get to the end of a piece of work and you've got a young person who's maybe changed their life around, or families are just feeling happier, more confident, and the overall aim is to obviously get to a position where families aren't coming back into the service. And when that happens, when you feel like an intervention or a piece of work has been truly meaningful for a family, then that's the best piece of work I've done, or the best feeling for me.